Hello, Disney Collector here. I'm gonna make a video of Jack Kent. And it is a good day to go on the swing at the pool. I'm trying to get on the swing. Don't you see this rare? It's the lifeguard. Don't you see it? And so I found a bakery. So let's get started on the bakery. These two come with the shop.
So it took me a little longer because I have to get used to the place. I'm not used to all that stuff.
No, she has to go somewhere at the barber or the pool. She's going to the barber. This could go to the barber or the pool. And it's the lifeguard's helper, but it's off because there's a new helper because that one quit. So it is Moda Soda. Soda Moda. Soda Moda or Moda Soda.
Oh, can you make this original before? Thank you.
A boot. His name is a boot. Get it? It's a little face. So he is going to go to the barber because he's a boot. And I found a high heel. And this is called high heel shoes. Or you could call them Fancy Nancy shoes. Or you could just call them fancy shoes. Or you could just call them fancy. There's a lot of things to call them, so I'm just going to stop right there. This wiggle. Chicka chicka boom boom. See, it wiggles. Chicka chicka boom boom.
Jenny, $3.79 Whole Foods
He shouldn't go to the barber because they're both shoes. They're married. This is a girl. This is a boy. Okay? And there's nothing inside here, just that. So they're going to go to the barber. There.
Yeah.
Okay. This is going to go over here.
Dad, tomorrow we're doing shot put.
So get that paperwork out. Should I?
Sheena. Please don't spill any more of that. I'm tired of
So that's good. When did Donna and Jen land? That's cool.
Okay,
They were in
now
a
let's get started.
for a few days and then
Okay, so
they went to the
the ones that come to the pool, yell that out.
Hawaii is very
Okay,
laid back.
okay,
Uh-uh.
up here.
And the
Wait,
whole
no,
thing is, so, you know, there's the only big
No,
five-star
it's-
restaurants are
at the bakery.
Hawaii Marriott Resort, right? Where we eat dinner, too.
No, once they come to the pool, right down the street next to here, all you have to do is hop on
We
here.
went to one.
Okay, so all you have to do is climb up here, climb right here, and then hop right here, hop, 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 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have to,
Oh, that was in the
and then it will bounce you over here.
Dolphin Restaurant.
that looks fun.
It's in Hanover.
Ooh.
Come here.
Ooh.
There's one over
Ooh.
here.
Could I like that?
You said I'm at
Wow.
This is done.
Make a line.
Where is that?
Maryland McGuire.
Oh,
Oh, so they already went to that one. Is that the one we went to?
Celebrities first, yo.
Oh, can I have a piece?
For sure, double one.
They don't have to stand up. They have to lay down.
Yeah, so I
Lay down. Lay down.
I wonder why they
Lay
went
down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Wait, no, you should
I know.
be
They surprised us.
right here. And you
Would that have been funny?
We should have.
I said, I just feel like getting on a plane and coming to see you guys. We could.
I'm gonna see my question back.
That would be nice. wouldn't it?
What time is it?
Okay.
Oh, that's
So
true, but I think they probably can't.
you're supposed to be in front.
Guys, from Philly, it's a long flight.
Yeah.
I did it twice.
I know.
Ooh.
That's from New York. From New York, it's 10 hours.
Then
one
you
way,
can
11
go
hours
wherever you
the other.
want. Oh yeah.
But it's depressing, and then you got to drive 2 hours from New York, 2.5 hours.
Ow.
All right, try a piece of this turkey breast right here.
How long does it take from Arizona?
So you can like it better. This is the
yeah.
organic stuff.
Not as bad as.
It's like a real turkey.
There.
No.
Next, I'm going to eat those.
You like the honey.
You like the honey?
What kind did you get?
Okay, so we will be done to the day.
You like the roast
Bye.
honey.
I got simple
Don't
soup.
forget to subscribe and like.